So today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite palettes, Morphe 35V. At first I was kind of hesitant because it was really one of my first palettes, I guess, that weren't drugstore. So one day I went to Ulta, decided I'm going to do all this makeup stuff and really get into it. And I didn't even look up any palettes before then. All I knew was Anastasia was good, Morphe was good. So then I, for the moment, got this one. Before I really got to use it, I looked up some reviews online, and surprisingly a lot of people don't like it. They say that these people who do reviews on YouTube are sponsored or paid by Morphe, I guess. I love it. It's super pigmented. Another thing worth mentioning is that these colors blend so well together and they honestly last all day. Very cheap, I guess, in price compared to a lot of the other palettes out there, and the quality is amazing. It comes with so many different colors, whereas some other palettes come with, I don't know, 10 colors and they're double the price. Not bagging on any other palettes, I'm just saying. Especially if you're first starting out, I recommend you start off with a Morphe palette. Most of them, almost all of them, are under $30. This one in particular has a lot of nudes, a lot of color. You can blend them to make a lot of different looks. You're not just stuck with one type of look. So let's show you some swatches. This one is a white one called Knockout. This one's more like a rose gold kind of color called Polished. There's a brownish one called In the Zone. This one's called Devoted. I'm telling you, so many different options. You can check out my Instagram at Makeup by Nia. I've got almost all my looks have some sort of color from this palette incorporated into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little review of the Morphe 35V palette.